That CNN News 18 has exclusively accessed. These visuals are coming in of the day of the incident, which is 13th of May, from inside the Chief Minister's residence. This was the place where the alleged crime took place. These are the visuals that we have accessed for you from the drawing room of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Let's actually listen in of what exactly transpired.
कैमरा क्या हुआ? हिट हो गया हाँ नहीं हम यहाँ नहीं कर सकते नहीं आप नहीं जो करना है और तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाओगे तो मेरे को अच्छा सभी लोग कह रहे हैं हम भी और आप खुद महिलाओं को लेकर तमाम आवाजों कुछ भी कहना चाहती हैं आप कुछ भी तो बारी आएगी वो यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा दिखाई दे रही है और 30,000 कोर्ट की तरफ मेरा कैमरा क्या हुआ? हिट हो गया अरे आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं आपके साथ ऐसा घोड़ा ये गंजा साला मैडम भी और आप खुद महिलाओं को लेकर तमाम आवाजें उठाते हैं कुछ भी कहना चाहती हैं आप कुछ भी थोड़ा सा कैमरा क्या हुआ? हिट हो गया हाँ अरे क्या तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाओगे तो मेरे को अच्छा सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम पुलिस रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है लेट द पुलिस का उसके बाद में बात करूंगा भी और आप खुद महिलाओं को लेकर तमाम आवाजें उठाते हैं कुछ भी कहना चाहती हैं आप कुछ भी थोड़ा सा हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं कैमरा क्या हुआ? हिट हो गया हाँ
This is a video that we're given to understand has been released by the Aam Aadmi Party now. This is of the day of the incident, that is 13th of May, which is Monday of this week. This video is right after the assault, where you can hear Swati Maliwal in the video, even though you can't see her. You can hear her abusing Bibhav Kumar as well. What exactly transpired just a few minutes before this is what the Delhi police will have to now ascertain. But this video, we're given to understand, has been released by the Aam Aadmi Party themselves to give their side of the version of what exactly transpired. Anshul, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details about this particular video. Anshul, the Aam Aadmi Party otherwise extremely silent, but they've released this video to put forth their version of stories. This was after the PCR call was made by Swati Maliwal, is what we're learning?
Yes, this is definitely has been released from the other side, but interestingly, a very selected part of this entire video has been given out to media personals. In fact, if you see that you can actually hear Swati Maliwal saying that she has made the PCR call, and she says that I will not move until and unless the PCR comes in. But interestingly, you can see that the security personnel, the CM staff who is present over there, they are continuously asking her to get out from the residence of the Chief Minister. This is just minutes after the entire incident has happened. Definitely the manner in which the Aam Aadmi Party has been pushed on the back foot. In fact, their backs are towards the wall because of the kind of allegations that Swati Maliwal has put forth. This video has now been released just to gain some sort of traction. But yes, Swati Maliwal can be heard in this video being very, very angry and agitated because of the manner in which she has been treated. She continuously claims in this video that she has made that PCR call and she will not move away until and unless the PCR arrives. In fact, she goes ahead and abuses Vibhav Kumar towards the end as well. But yes, it definitely, it definitely establishes the fact that something or the other wrong or ill treatment happened with her, because of which she made that PCR call, and then eventually when she walked out, she meets the PCR over here, and then she goes to the police station. So now the sequence of events, the chain of events is being established one by one as the investigation is also going forward. But this video that has been released definitely seems like that this video is after the entire incident took place, and then the police, the security officials who were present inside were actually trying to make sure that the situation remains calm, and the aggression that can be seen on Swati Maliwal's face and in her voice, that somewhere or the other they can calm that down, and that is what the security staff was doing. Now, since this video has come to the fore, these security officials who were present inside the Chief Minister's residence, they will their statements will also be now be recorded by the police. So it is going to be interesting to see as to how many people will actually have to record their statements in front of the police now. But definitely, the video has been released from the other camp somewhere or the other, trying to save their face and trying to allege that Swati Maliwal, whatever allegations she has put forth, those allegations are wrong.
Right, the Aam Aadmi Party putting their version of events. This video that has been accessed by CNN News 18 is from that day, from the 13th of May, just a few minutes after the distress call was made by Swati Maliwal. She's heard in the video saying that she's made that call as well. You can hear some abuses at the end as well, where she's referring to Bibhav Kumar. There are other security men that are present that you can see in the video. Even though you cannot see Swati Maliwal in the video, you can hear her in the background. So this definitely is from that day where Swati Maliwal was present. But what happened in the minutes preceding this and the minutes after this, that's something that the Delhi police will have to investigate as well. Before I get in my other colleagues, let's listen into that video once again.
कुछ भी थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर लंगड़ा
हम तो रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएंगी ना।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो होगा।
प्लीज प्लीज कम विद मी प्लीज।
चलो मैडम बाहर चलो।
आ जाओ मैडम प्लीज।
उठा के फेंक ना, उठा के फेंक।
हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे।
हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
आज फेंक दो, आज
आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं,
हम
आपके साथ ऐसा थोड़ा करेंगे।
ये गंजा साला।
नहीं
प्लीज आप ऐसा
मैडम नहीं,
आप ऐसा ना बोलें।
जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर सीटी
आएगी वो यहाँ तक नहीं। सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम
हाँ, तो इसलिए कह रहे हैं ना।
हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस कम, उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएंगी ना।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो
प्लीज
होगा।
प्लीज कम विद मी प्लीज।
चलो मैडम बाहर चलो।
आ जाओ मैडम प्लीज।
उठा के फेंक ना।
तो सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम
हाँ, तो इसलिए कह रहे हैं ना।
हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस कम, उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएंगी ना।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो
प्लीज
होगा।
प्लीज कम विद मी प्लीज।
चलो मैडम बाहर चलो।
आ जाओ मैडम प्लीज।
उठा के फेंक ना।
तो सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम
हाँ, तो इसलिए कह रहे हैं ना।
हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस कम, उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएंगी ना।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो
प्लीज
होगा।
प्लीज कम विद मी प्लीज।
चलो मैडम बाहर चलो।
आ जाओ मैडम प्लीज।
उठा के फेंक ना।
तो सभी तो कह रहे हैं हम
हाँ, तो इसलिए कह रहे हैं ना।
हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस कम, उसके बाद मैं बात करूँ।
तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएंगी ना।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी जो होगा।
प्लीज प्लीज कम विद मी प्लीज।
चलो मैडम बाहर चलो।
That was the video from the day of the assault that Swati Maliwal has accused Bibhav Kumar of. This is from the Chief Minister's residence. You can see Swati Maliwal in that video. There are security members that are requesting her to leave while she is confirming that yes, she did make that call to the Delhi police and that police were on their way to investigate. This happened on Monday of this week. Today is Friday. 5 days later, Swati Maliwal has recorded her statement before the magistrate at the Tisazari court. She's just left from there for her residence. The investigation is progressing. As far as Bibhav Kumar is concerned, the Delhi police will be questioning him. The NCW, which is the National Commission of Women, they have also summoned him. Those summons are not something that he is adhering to, at least as of today. That's what we're learning. Whether Bibhav Kumar is in the national capital or not, that's also something that needs to be ascertained. Anshul continues to be with us. Now, Anshul, the NCW has summoned Bibhav Kumar. Doesn't look like he is going to be appearing before them today or over this weekend.
Well, definitely it is very, very unlikely that Bibhav Kumar will actually come to the fore to abide by the summons that has been given by the NCW, because as soon as he comes out, he will initially be arrested by the Delhi police, and that is the reason why, as we told our viewer just a few moments ago, that Bibhav Kumar is already looking at the legal options and is taking legal opinions as to how he can actually save himself from getting arrested. He might be trying to get anticipatory bail before he comes out in the open in front of the public, because remember, the last known location of Bibhav Kumar is still in Amritsar, where he was seen with the Chief Minister. Post that, where is Bibhav Kumar, nobody knows, and that is the reason why Delhi police has now made teams to track down. At least 4 teams have been made by Delhi police to track down Bibhav Kumar as he